So yeah, let's talk a little bit about retail. And we're going to talk about it from the perspective of Michael Hill. So Michael Hill are a worldwide jewelry retailer. They are multi-brand, multi-channel. And for them, their priority is to deliver a customer experience that changes from being transactional to personal. They deliver high-quality jewelry, and they expect to deliver a great service for their customers. So we're going to understand how, firstly, I, as a customer, can interact with Michael Hill to have a really great experience, and then how Dynamics can also help the sales associate. So let's start off with me as the customer. It's coming up to my mum's birthday, and I want to treat her. I've purchased jewelry from Michael Hill before. I've always had a really great experience with them, and I know my mum likes quality products, so I'm going to take a look and see what jewelry they have available that might be good for her birthday. I already have the Michael Hill app downloaded on my phone, so I'm going to jump into that and see if I can find something that she might like. So I've opened up the app, and the minute I jump into it, I can see some recommendations. My mum and I have pretty similar taste, so I can already see on screen some things that I think she might like. And actually, scrolling down, I can see a watch that I think that's definitely the match for my mum. She likes quality, she definitely likes diamonds, so I'm going to take a look and see if she'd like that. In the app, I can navigate through, and I'm going to have a look and see what watches are available. So I can see on here quite a few different watches, quite a few different price points. But as I said, my mum really will only wear quality, so I think it's going to have to be the second one down. I'm going to click onto that, and I'm going to see if I can find out some more information about it. The pictures look great. It definitely looks like it's her style. I can see more information about the product, but I know that my mum's quite picky. So before I invest quite a lot of money on a product for her birthday, I want to find out a little bit more information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop into store so that I can have a chat with the sales associate about the watch and find out a little bit more information. So what I can then do, I can go into a store, and how it works with Dynamics 365 for retail is using beacon technology. The minute I walk into a store, it acknowledges that I'm there. I'm going to get a welcome message, and actually I can see I've got a personalized offer as well, which is fantastic because 20% off this watch makes it much more affordable, and I think it makes me much more likely to go and buy that watch for my mum. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and have a chat with the sales associate to answer some of my questions. So as a sales associate, typically when a customer walks into the store, they don't know who they are, they don't know if they've purchased any products before, and they certainly don't know why they're walking in. So using Dynamics, the minute I, as the customer, walk in, the sales associate can pull up the record and then have a really clear understanding of who I am. So they can see who I am, what my name is, they can see my previous purchases, and they can actually see a wish list where I added the product from my mobile app. So they can jump into that, and it means the minute I walk over to them, they have a rough idea of why they're interacting with me already. So I, as the customer, get a much more personalized service as a result. So I approach the sales associate. I've got a couple of questions. Firstly, can you show me how big the watch face is? Because my mum's quite picky. But actually, I've got some questions about the spec as well. She likes to wear it when she exercises, so is the band waterproof? So the sales associate has all of the information that they need to be able to help me as I'm interacting with them. And it means we have a much more positive interaction. So I think this looks like a match. It's definitely something I think my mum would like. So I'm going to go ahead, and they're going to add it into the basket for me so that I can buy it. The minute they do that, it actually brings up another prompt. And this is prompting the sales associate to offer extended warranty to me. And they actually saw in the record that when I've purchased previous jewelry from them, I've bought extended warranty to make sure the product is, safe and I can maintain it. So this makes it much easier for the sales associate to have that conversation with me because they know it's something I'm likely to buy, which means I'm likely to buy it again. So we'll add that in, we'll extend it for 2 years. And actually, because I'm such a great customer and we're having such a great interaction, the sales associate thinks before she goes, let's see if there's any more opportunities to sell some more products to me. So what we can see on the right-hand side here is using Azure Machine Learning, Dynamics is suggesting products that I, as the customer, might like to buy as well. So I'm taking a look, the earrings look really nice, the customer, the sales executive can promote them to me. And actually, I really love my mum, and it's her birthday, so I think I'm going to go ahead and treat her. So that's been a success. So we can add those into the basket. And that's actually the end of the transaction. And what we can see here is we can see all of the products that I've chosen to buy. We can see the warranty's been added in, and the discount that I was offered on my mobile device has automatically been added to the transaction. So this is achieving what Michael Hill wants to do, which is move from transactional to personal. The entire time I've interacted with Michael Hill, I feel like they understand me, they understand what I want, and they've given me a really personalized experience. And that's all been achieved using Dynamics 365 for retail. Thank you.